Darkest and the hardest.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're still here with Queen Ifrica and she's going to perform for us in a couple of minutes. But first we have to ask her a couple of questions.
Yes, I want to know about the hot new single that you have for us.
This one is called I Know We This. It's basically talking about, you know, Jamaica, the country, we as a people, all the negatives that's happening. It's not reflective of who we are. And so I'm just, in 3 minutes, paying attention to it.
All right. And what's it called? You say, I know we this.
I
know we this. me let the play on the word.
I wonder, like somebody give us an idea, like some of the people you're working with, production-wise, and what you have in
All right,
store.
so it's definitely organic art. This one is from Harmonix. They're out of Europe.
Okay, cool.
And also, we just did something with Jordan.
No,
that's about to come. This song is called Tussie.
Yeah. Well, no, say that. From when you're Ifrica and Jordan, we don't have trouble.
I just did one for General Degree as well called One Hold. That is H-O-L-D.
Yeah. Yeah, bad producer that, you know. No people don't know that.
Enough more.
You know Queen Ifrica do music.
Yeah, man.
Different. You know what I mean?
Stage is yours.
Stage is yours.
What is the one, Tussie?
Daytime Live, here. Yeah. Whoa. Judgment. One. I know we this. No man. I know we this. Them a talk about smile for me, Jamaica. Not even God, we not do it for. Remember, we just escape Maria and Irma, and all we do is increase murder. Right now, we show up on the radar. Like said, Jamaicans are pagan. But me can't bet you anyway. In the world, we are the nicest human. So big up to the trench down hero. And that's why all I will feel you. Just need to increase more on that. I know it would have sweet you. Mr. Prime Minister, Jamaica's cutest leader. The people them send me to you, sir. Them have a gully for your jumping. Right now, somebody need for save on ya. I know IMF and them not trust China. Plus the other one them before did a save we for long, but we not really sure from what, so we a ball. One. I know we this. No man, I know we this. I tell we use them for giant rum movement. What happened to them brain improvement? The same old divide and conquer. The new slave master is the private sector. Right now we see it on the radar. Mining in the cockpit country. Since the law sweet Jamaica so much, then why me gonna sign off? Me nah laugh. You really mean fi tell me Jamaica people empty? Look how much a we come tell you who you be, while them a boss say you know why here. Yes, them teach yourself it, but your heart a love straight. The mother with the machete beat the baby is a result of who we have become now lately. No care about nothing, greedy for money and not invent nothing. Alright, yes, who me, yes, you gonna be. Then I want make you a walk home with your hand on your head and a ball. And a we this. No man. And a we this. I teach me use them for giant rum movement. What happened to them brain improvement? The same old divide and conquer. The new slave master is the private sector. Right now it show up on the radar. Like said Jamaicans are pagan. But me can't bet you anyway. In the world we are the nicest human. The trench down hero, yes. All I will feel you. We just need to increase more. I know it would have sweet you. Every friend will call a friend dog. Don't do war, make a walk or link your friend dog. Try reach before so. The eye them a go dead real talk and no pretend dog. Charge it to the end dog. Like when things used to bet up on the ends dog. Check if this makes sense dog. Dance no craigie dance. I know we this. You understand? Come on now. The air,
Yeah, people always talk about dance. I mean, I need to know for dance, man. I just move, man. Oh.
I love it though. It's a
I
good
love that.
vibe.
Thank you, baby.
And lyricist, you know. Not play with
Thank
that.
you.
I know
Weed.
this. I know weed this. I know weed this.
Yeah.
Beer thing.
I know
Yeah.
we.
Shabbat.
Well, that's it. Thanks for tuning in and catch us back on Tuesday for much more buzz, chat,
Mix.
and vibe.
Live.
I know what it is.
Yeah, mix. You know, some mix of my
You
word.
know what I'm saying?
Artistic.